Hello students. So last lecture we have completed. In that we have completed the triangle lesson in question number 3.3, question number 1, isosceles triangle theorem and converse of a isosceles triangle theorem. Now today we are going to start a new three theorems. That is the 30, 60, 90 degree theorem. In that 30 degree angle theorem, 60 degree angle theorem and 45 degree angle theorem, and all these theorems are important ones. We require these properties to solve the examples in 9th standard as well as in 10th standard, as well as these proofs are also important one. So what is the first one? That is the 30 degree theorem. So what is the main statement for this theorem? That is, if acute angle of a right angle triangle is measured 30 degree and 60 degree, then the length of the side opposite to the 30 degree is half of the length of its hypotenuse. Now here the side which is opposite to the 30 degree angle is half of its hypotenuse, that we have to prove. Okay, so how to prove that this one? So for that here we have to write out the first given, to find, and then construction. So what is the given thing? So in this given thing, here it is given that triangle ABC is given, and in that triangle measurement of angle C equals to the 30 degree and measurement of angle A equals to the 60 degree. Okay. Now here what is our to find? That is, according to the statement, the side which is opposite to the 30 degree angle is half of its hypotenuse. Now what is the meaning of a hypotenuse? That is, the side which is opposite to the 90 degree is known as the hypotenuse. So here AC is the hypotenuse, and the side which is opposite to the 30 degree is nothing but what? That is the AB. So here what we have to prove? That is AB equals to half of the AC. Getting? Now construction. In one triangle it is not possible to show. So here we have to construct another triangle. So how to construct this triangle? In that AB is exactly equals to the BD. Okay, AB is exactly equals to the BD. That is our construction. So take a point D on extended a segment AB, that AB equals to the BD, and then we have to draw this DC. And here we are having what? These two triangles we are having. Now first we have to show these two triangles similar with each other. Then how to show these two triangles similar with each other? Therefore in triangle ABC and in triangle DBC, both these triangles. So first thing is what? That is AB equals to the BD. That is our construction. We construct that one. That is AB equals to the BD. The next one is what? Angle ABC. That is angle ABC and angle DBC. Both are what? Both are the 90 degree angle. And next one, that is the BC, which is the common side. And hence these two triangles are congruent by which test? These two triangles are congruent by SAS, test of congruency. Getting up to this? Now here next one is what? Angle BAC. This angle is the 60 degree. Then what is the measurement of this angle? Yes, just last lecture we learned, that is these are the CACT. Therefore this measurement of angle BDC equals to also 60 degree. Therefore angle BAC equals to the angle DBC equals to the 60 degree. Okay, these are nothing but what? CACT, corresponding sides of a congruent triangles. Now in the triangle two angles are 60 degree. Okay, then what is the measurement of third one? Definitely at sum of the measures of all the angles of a triangle equals to 180 degree. Therefore here also we can write 60 plus 60. So definitely this one is the 30, this one is also 30. Both added will get 60. So here total triangle ADC is become what? 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. That is the equiangular. And as they are the equiangular, definitely they are the equilateral. So here therefore we can say is that what? Triangle ADC is equal to what? Equilateral triangle. Getting? In equilateral triangle what happened? That is AD equals to the DC equals to the AC. Getting? So here we can write out AC equals to AD equals to the AB. But here what we are construct, that is AB equals to what? AB is nothing but what? Half of the AD, because we construct AB equals to the BD. But here as it is a equilateral triangle, instead of AD what we can write? Yes, we can write AB equals to half of the AC. And that is our statement that we want to prove. That is, the side opposite to the 30 degree angle is half of its hypotenuse. Getting? It is a simple one. So just please practice it well. Now in the questions they will maybe going to ask, that is directly they will give the theorem statement. Otherwise they will mention, that is write down the 30-60 degree angle theorem in that 30 degree angle. So that time you must know the statement. Okay, so the learn statement also. Otherwise 1 mark question will be there, that is in triangle ABC, angle C equals to 30 degree. Okay, angle C equals to the 30 degree. Find out the measurement of angle AB if AC equals to the 10. Then how you will find out? Yes, here you are using the property, that is the side opposite to the 30 degree angle is half of its hypotenuse. So half multiplied with the 10, that is equals to the 5. Getting? So this type of a questions they may be asked. Now next theorem is what? Next theorem is the 60 degree angle theorem. In 60 degree angle theorem, same thing we require. Say in this given this triangle we require. Already here we are what proved? Here we are proved AB equals to half of the AC. Just we have to take this AB equals to half of the AC. Here I have written AB equals to half of the AC. Now further proof by using this triangle only, means already we have proved that one. And here this theorem is given in an activity based type of question. So let's look what is the statement of a theorem. Theorem, each acute angle triangle, a right angle triangle have the measurement of a 30 degree and 60 degree. Then the length of side opposite to the 60 degree angle is root 3 by 2 its hypotenuse. Now look here, this one is the 60 degree angle. So what is our given thing? Here I am explaining given thing which is not given in your textbook. So if you want, you can mention it in your textbook with the help of pencil. So in triangle ABC, angle A equals to 60 degree, angle C equals to the 30 degree. Okay, and angle B equals to the 90 degree. Then what is our to prove? To prove, that is nothing but what? That is angle BC, side BC equals to root 3 by 2 its AC, that is the hypotenuse. Getting? So what is our statement? The side which is opposite to 60 degree angle is half of its hypotenuse. Up to this all of you got properly. Now look at this, how to write down this theorem statement. So remaining else as the same, just we have to take this AB equals to the half of the AC. And this question is given in the form of a activity based type of question. So just here I am mentioning this, but here in detail I will write, just you have to copy down it. So AB square plus AC square equals to AB square plus BC square equals to the AC square. What is the property? Yes, this is the Pythagoras Theorem property. That is the hypotenuse square equals to the side 1 square plus side 2 square. That is AB square plus BC square equals to the AC square. Okay, but what is the measurement of this AB? Already we proved, that is nothing but what? Half of the AC bracket square plus BC square equals to the AC square. So here this one is the given in your textbook, AC square plus BC square, half of the AC square plus BC square equals to the AC square. But here I mentioned this statement. I mentioned this step. Now complete it. What is this? 1 by 2 square, that is the 1 by 4 AC square plus BC square equals to the AC square. Getting up to this? Now here what we want? We want the question in the terms of BC. So here what we have to do? Here we have to do this. BC square equals to, we are keeping this BC this side and we are transferring this 1 by 4 AC square. This plus, here it will goes, it will become minus, and here it will become minus 1 by 4 AC square. Getting? Now look here, it is a minus. So here we have to equalize the denominator. All these steps are not mentioned below, whatever I will going to write, that will not mention in your textbook, but just mention it in your textbook. Now here equalize the denominator. Therefore what we will get? BC square equals to 4 AC square minus 1 AC square upon 4. Therefore what will be remaining? BC square equals to the 3 AC square upon 4. Now we want the answer of a BC. So here we are taking the square root. Therefore BC equals to the 3 AC square upon 4. After taking square root, what we will get? We are getting, therefore BC equals to root 3 by 2 AC, because AC square root is the AC and 4 square root is the 2. That is nothing but what? That is our to prove. That is the side which is opposite to the 60 degree angle is root 3 by 2 its hypotenuse. Getting? So same question they will going to ask for write down the 60 degree theorem. Otherwise they will provide you the statement. Otherwise they will provide it in the activity based question. So in activity you have to mention whatever the given in activity based question, you have to fill the blanks. Okay. Otherwise 1 mark question will be like this. In triangle ABC, angle A equals to 60 degree, angle C equals to 30 degree, angle B equals to 90 degree. If hypotenuse equals to the 12, what is the measurement of a BC? Now here we know that is the side which is opposite to the 60 degree angle is half root 3 by 2 its hypotenuse. So root 3 by 2 multiply with the 12. So here 2 ones are 2 6 are. So here BC you will get 6 root 3. Getting? So either 1 mark questions will be there. Otherwise they will give you the 4 mark theorem question. Otherwise 3 marks activity based type of question. Now next question or next theorem, that is the 45 90 degree theorem. Now next theorem, that is also important one, that is the 45 90 degree theorem. So what is the statement for this theorem? If measurement of angles of a triangles are 45 and 90 degree, then the length of each side containing the right angle is 1 by root 2 its hypotenuse. Getting? So 1 by root 2 its hypotenuse. Now here same triangle here we are drawn in triangle ABC. So what is our given thing? In triangle ABC, angle A equals to 45 degree, angle C equals to the 45 degree, and measurement of angle B equals to the 90 degree. What is our to find? That is the side opposite to the 45 degree angle is 1 by root 2 its hypotenuse. So either we have to find out BC, otherwise we have to find out the AB. Now here what is the given? That is the 1 by root 2 its hypotenuse. So here we are taking AB equals to 1 by root 2 its hypotenuse. That is our to find. Okay. Now here not necessary to construct any construction. So in triangle ABC. Now what is the proof? So it is given that in triangle ABC, angle A equals to 45 degree and angle C equals to the 45 degree. Now here both the angles are similar one. So this triangle is converted into the isosceles triangle. So according to the isosceles triangle theorem, if angles are congruent, then the sides opposite to them are also congruent. So that's why here in triangle ABC, as angle A and B equals to 45 degree, we can write BC equals to the AB. What is the reason behind it? That is the isosceles triangle theorem. Getting? Now next one is what? Same thing we have to follow. That is the Pythagoras Theorem. So according to the Pythagoras Theorem, that is the AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. That is the Pythagoras Theorem. So here what is the measurement of a BC? That is, suppose here we are taking, that is a equation number 1. So what is the measurement of a BC? So in that here we can write down AC square equals to the AB square plus AB square. Now how many ABs are there? Definitely these are 2 ABs. So AC square equals to the what? That is the 2AB square. Now we have to move this to this side. So what will you will get? That is 1 by 2 AC square equals to the AB square. Now here what we have to prove? We want to prove either AB equals to the 1 by root 2 AC. Otherwise BC equals to. But here I am taking AB. So 1 by 2 AC square. Now taking square root both the sides. What you will get? After taking square both the sides, you will get 1 by root 2 AC. Square root of 1 remains the 1. And square root taking square, this 2 becomes root 2 AC. So hence what we proved? We have proved that the side opposite to the 45 degree angle is 1 by root 2 its hypotenuse. Getting? Now same thing for the 30 degree, 60 degree, same thing. They will going to ask the question for 4 marks theorems. Otherwise activity based question, 3 mark question. Otherwise the 1 mark question like this. In triangle ABC, if angle A and C equals to 45 degree, if hypotenuse equals to the 10, then find out the measurement of a angle. This, that is the AB. Otherwise BC. So how to find out? So here you have to find out this angle. So let's discuss this question, because here you need the knowledge of a your algebra. Getting? So how to write down this theorem? So look at here. What is our question? Here I am taking this question out of your syllabus. That is, in triangle A B. Out of syllabus means what? It is not given in your textbook, but it may be for 1 mark question. Angle ABC, angle A equals to 45 degree, angle C equals to the 45 degree, and AC equals to the 10. Then find out the measurement of angle, measurement of AB. So how to find out? That is, AB equals to 1 by root 2 to its hypotenuse. That is the AC. So what is the measurement of AC? 1 by root 2 to its 10. So here you will get 10 root 2. Now you have to rationalize the denominator. So rationalize the denominator means what? You have to multiply the numerator as well as the denominator with the help of same surd. So it will become what? 10 root 3 upon 2. So 2 ones are 2 5s are 5 root 2 centimeter. Otherwise unit. Likewise the question will be asked. Getting clear to you? It is different one. That's why here I took. So what is your question? Just write down the question. In triangle ABC, angle A equals to 45 degree, angle C equals to 45 degree, angle, otherwise triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. And if hypotenuse AC is 10 centimeter, then find out the measurement of a side AB. Getting? Then here we are using we use the property, that is the 45, 45 and 90 degree theorem. So according to that, what here we are getting? Here we are getting half into the AC when we are putting the value of AC, and after solving and rationalizing the denominator, here we are getting 10 root 2 multiply with the root 2, 10 root 2 upon 2, that is the 5 root 2 centimeter. So these all are important one. 30 degree theorem is important, 60 degrees theorem important, 45 degrees also important, isosceles triangle theorem is also important. They require it for the solving sums as well as to write down the proofs. Getting? So this is about today's lectures. Next lecture we are going to start a median of a triangle and the theorems which are depends upon this property. In this lesson number 3, triangle, lot of theorems are there. So practice it well, because definitely 4 mark question will be there and 3 mark question will be there for this theorem. Either activity based, otherwise write on the total proof. Getting? So today's your homework. You have to write down 30, 60 and 60 and 45 degree theorem in your class work. And please don't send me the pictures. Okay, this is the homework, but you have to write down in your class work. Okay, and for semester other questions will be provided to you, and that questions only sent by you. Okay, now don't send any homework to me regarding these theorems, because just it is the copy down from your textbook. Understood? So next lecture we are going to start median of a triangle. Till then, bye, take care.